So in this example, we need to solve this system of equation by elimination. In order to start solving, like we said, x and y should be at the same side. So if we look for the first equation, Shamsa, y and x is not on the same side. So we should move the y to this side, and the 5 should be moved to the other side. Understood?
أيوة.
Or you can move just easily, you can move the x to the other side. Okay?
Okay.
Now, when I move the x to the other side, can you tell me what will happen?
بيصير بدل ماينس بيكون بلس.
So it will be what?
فبيكون 1/3x plus
Okay.
y
Equal what?
equal -5.
Okay. Now the other equation is
The same.
1/3x plus 5y equal -9. So if you look for these two equations, is one of the variables have the same coefficients?
نعم.
Yes, 1/3 and 1/3, but one of them is positive and the other one is also positive, so we need to
فلازم نضربها ب-1.
That's correct. So you will multiply either the first or the second with -1. So let's multiply the first one with -1. So what will happen? Can you tell me?
بيصير -1/3x minus y equals 5.
And the other equation will stay the same. Now we will put a line and we will add these two equations, and I'll write here add. Okay, what will happen for the x?
بيختفي. It will cancel out each other.
That's right. Now minus 1y plus 5y. How much?
4y.
That's correct. If you have any doubts, you can make it like this. -1 and plus 5. We will have 5 pluses. One of them will cancel out and we will have plus 4y or 4y. So 4y equal 5 minus 9.
Equals 5 minus 9.
What's 5 minus 9?
4.
Can you do it with the brackets or the circles?
Okay.
So this is 5 plus. And we have also
9 pluses.
no 9 minuses.
Wasn't mine.
Hey. So this cancel out, cancel out, cancel out, cancel out. So what's the answer?
4.
What's
Minus
the,
4.
Yeah, -4. You have to be exact, Shamsa. And then
بعدين نودي زي divide by 4.
the other side.
Divide by 4.
So these will cancel out. So y equal
-1.
-1, correct. Now we will go to the one of the equations to find the other variable. So you go to the first or the second, it's up to you. What?
I want the second equation.
Okay, let's go to the second equation. So this one copy and here paste. Now we will substitute y with -1. 1/3 x plus 5 multiply -1 equal what?
minus 9.
Good. Now,
One
5
over-
times minus 1?
Minus 5.
So, what to do to solve it?
بنودي الماينس 5 to the minus 9.
So,
We could
it will
plus
become
9.
what? It will become what?
Plus 9. قصدي plus 5.
5, you mean. So,
أيوة.
minus 9 plus 5, 1 over 3x. Minus 9 plus 5, how much?
Minus 4.
Now, how to get rid of this 1 over 3?
الحين كيف أسوي fraction؟
We will multiply it with يلا شمسة. We will multiply it with what?
2.
ليش؟
ما أعرف.
شوفي شمسة أنت عندك 1 over 3. How to get rid of it? خدناها قبل.
3 over 1.
That's correct. And the other side should be multiplied with
3 over
this with this will cancel out. So you will end up with x equal minus 4 times 3.
minus 4 times 3 بيعطيني minus 12.
Thank you. And we are good to go. So the final answer is minus 12
Minus 12.
and minus 1.
minus
Okay. Now, for the word problem, do you need any help with that or
لا فهمتها.
are you sure?
أيوة number 12 فهمتها.
Good. You can do number 13 alone.
أيوة
Are you sure?
أيوة.
So I'll leave it for you as a homework and try to do it alone. It's easy. It's not that hard. Okay. This will be your homework. 6.5. You have took it or not?
لا.
Okay. So let's start with 6.5. Write and solve system of equation. So basically it's a word problem, but it's a simple one. It's not that complicated. So we will start now with 6.5. Okay, and we will start with the first example. Let's do the first example. So that is 6.4. Let's call it extra. And here we will start with 6.5. Now, the sum of two numbers is 39 and their difference is 7. What are the two equations we will write? What's the meaning of sum, Shamsa?
يعني التوتال.
يعني plus or minus or multiply or divide?
plus.
Plus. So I'm going to say, I don't know what's the two numbers, so I'm going to say that, I'm going to assume actually, x plus y equal what?
equal B.
No. Look for the question, Shamsa. Focus.
The difference.
One more time. Look, read the question. The sum of two numbers is what?
39.
So x plus y equal?
39.
Good. Now, the other equation is their difference. Difference means what?
difference يعني divide.
لا. Difference means what? Do you know?
شو؟
Difference means subtract, minus. الفرق بالعربي معناها الفرق. بقول لك مثلا الفرق بينك وبين ظبية كم سنة؟ نفترض ما أعرف 10 سنين، نفترض 10 سنين. الفرق يعني subtract, okay? زين. So what's the equation you are going to write? What you will write as equation, Shamsa?
x minus y
Good.
equals 7.
Thank you. And you know how to solve this system of equation?
Huh?
Do you know how to solve this system?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give you 3 minutes to solve it. I'm going to stop the record. So here we said that we need to solve this system of equation by elimination. After we read the question, we wrote the equation, the two equations, and you have to know that the sum means what,
The sum means plus.
and difference means,
Minus.
that's good. So when you add these two, when you are adding these two equations, these two will cancel out and you will end up with 2x equal 46. Dividing by 2 both sides will give x equal 23. After that, you're going to go back to one of the equations. So you're going to say x plus 23 equal 39 minus 23 from both sides. You will end up with, sorry, my bad. It was y, it's not x. So you're going to flip these two. This will come here. Okay. It's like that. Anyway, so you will end up with y equal what?
Y equals 16.
That's correct. So those are the two numbers that we are thinking about. Okay. So 23 and 16. Now let's check this example. The sum of two numbers is 14.5 and their difference is 5.5, right? And solve a system of equations to find two numbers. Now this question should be very easy because it's the same question as we solve, صح؟
أيوة.
نفسه بالضبط ما يختلف أي شيء. فأعمل copy paste and it will be a homework for you. Now let's continue to the second example. How many examples we have in this lesson? We have just three examples. So, or four examples. Let's go to example 2. Now, I'm going to crop that and you'll read it. Okay, can you read the question, Shamsa?
Creative Crafts offers scrapbooking lessons for $15 per hour, plus a $10 supply charge. Scrapbook Incorporated offers lessons for $20 per hour with no additional charges. Write and solve a system of equations to determine for what number of hours the cost of lessons is the same at each store.
Okay, now in order to solve this question, we have to understand what are the variables we are looking for, or what does the question asks about. Now, the question asks about write and solve system of equation to determine for what. So, first of all, we are talking about number of hours, the cost of lessons, to determine for what number of hours the cost of lessons is the same at each store. Now, if we read the question again, Creative Crafts offers scrapbooking lessons for $15 per hour. So we are going to pay 15 what?
$15.
Per
15x.
hour. So I will going to pay 15x plus a $10 supply charge. So plus 10. Okay. Scrapbooks Incorporated offers lessons for $20 per hour with no additional charges. So, خلاص, just 20x. So we have two equations. The first equation is y equal 15x plus 10, and the second equation is y equal what?
Y equals 20x.
Okay. Now, how to solve these two equations? I'm not sure if we took the elimination together, or sorry, the substitution. Oh, I think you took it alone, صح? Substitution. I think I have not taught you the substitution. But you should know how to do solving the equation by substitution. Do you know how to solve this system of equation?
لا.
Just wait a minute. Okay. How many questions we have, Shamsa, here?
2.
Okay, so the first equation is 15x plus 10, and the second equation is 20x. Now, how to solve the system of equation? Now, we know that these two equations start with y. Now, if I am going to ask you, what does x represent? Do you know?
X represents
Can you just give me
scrap booking lessons.
Yeah, just give me 1 minute. يا يارا يعني يا يارا فايتيت لي جوا وحطيت لي التلفون وخليت لي الولد قاعد بقردد في سماي. سكري هاي الباب على حالك. ايه Okay, Shamsa. So x represent what?
Scrap booking lessons for 1 hour.
So it's the number of hours, صح?
أيوة.
I don't know how many hours I took, so I said 15x. So it's the number of what?
Scrap booking hour.
Of hours, let's say. Okay? Whether it was creative crafts or scrapbooks, whatever. Okay? So x is number of hours. Now, y represent what?
Y represents.
If you read the question carefully, do you have any clue?
No.
Y represent the cost, Shamsa, okay? How much I'm going to pay. So I'm going to pay this much, 15x plus 10. So x represent what, Shamsa?
X represents hours. Y represents cost.
What is the unit of the cost?
Y لا.
Unit, Shamsa. يعني we measure the cost with what? X, we measure it with hours. Cost, we measure it with
dollars.
Thank you. So how I'm going to solve this equation, or these two equations? I'm going to say y equal, and there's y equal. So this or that, y, those should be the same. How? I assume that. Look for the question. What does it say?
The cost of lessons is the same at each store.
So the cost of the first one or the second one, they should be the same. So I'm going to say that 15x plus 10 should be equal to what?
Should be equal to the cost of lessons.
How much, Yani? What should I write? The cost of the first one, look, he said let the cost be the same. So the cost of the first one should be equal the cost of the second one. Yalla, equal 20x. Now, how to solve this system of equation? What should I do? Or how to solve this equation?
X plus 10 equals 20. شو أسوي؟
What should I do in order to solve this equation?
We combine the like terms.
So?
فنودي ال 15 صوب ال 20 we add them.
So it's gonna be what?
Minus 15.
what should I write on this side?
10
Equal.
equals 15.
How? It was 15.
لا wait 5.
5x. Then what should I do?
بعدين we divide 5 both sides.
So you end up with x equal
X equals 2.
to what? $2, to buildings, to
2 hours.
2 hours. So if I took 2 hours, the cost will be the same for both lessons. And how much is the cost going to be?
لازم نطلع الواي.
Yeah, of course. So go to one of the equation. Which equation you going to go?
The second one.
Okay, replace x with
Okay.
replace x
Y.
with what?
Replace X with 2.
2. Good. يلا يعني y equal
20 ضرب 2.
اللي هو
Y
كم؟
is
20 times 2 how much?
40.
40 what? What is the unit شمسة؟
40 hours.
لا ركزي 40
40 شو اسمه dollars.
So that's the amount of money I'm going to pay or I'm going to give يعني let's say. So this is the second equation. We build up a system and this method شمسة we call it substitution. Substitution يعني we substitute the value of y from here, we replace it there. Understood?
أيوة.
Because this is y and this is y. So we can make these two equivalent to each other. So let's go to the second, what's that equation? I think this is the, yeah, that's correct. So 2 hours and $40. Okay, now Amanda pays a one-time fee of $100 and monthly fee of 10 to belong to a gym. So one-time fee, $100. So can you tell me what is the first equation? I'm going to crop that and then I'm going to post it in the paint. Shamsa, you finished eating?
Huh?
You finished eating خلاص؟
Hey.
اوكي طيب الحين شمسة read the first sentence from the question and tell me what is the equation we are going to write.
نحطي 10x
That's correct. Good. 10x and then
10x plus 10y.
لا ركزي اقرأ السؤال. سؤال يا شمسة انت هذا الدرس خذيتيه مع المس ولا لا؟
لا.
لسه زين اوكي اقرأ السؤال عدل.
Amanda pays a one-time fee of $100 and a monthly fee of $10 to belong to a gym.
So the equation would be what?
Plus 100.
Thank you. Why we said 10x? Why we didn't? We have not said 100x.
لأن ال10 هو المونثلي fee.
Yeah, correct. And this should be paid just only one time. So this is the first equation. I'm going to say that y equals this thing. Now let's go to the second equation. Maria pays only a monthly fee of $20 to belong to a hair gym. So what's the equation for Maria?
Y equals 20x. بس.
That's correct because there's nothing would be paid as a first or one-time fee. Now, write and solve system of equations that can be used to determine when each person will pay what.
The same amount.
So you know what to do, صح? Hi,
أيوة.
Shamsa. Do you know how to solve this equation or this
Here.
question?
Here.
Okay, I'm going to send it for you, and you'll solve it now.
بحطي 10x plus 100 equals 20 صح؟
Correct. I will be waiting for you. Okay. Now, a total of 75 loaves of banana bread, and bags of popcorn were donated for a bake sale to raise money for the football team. So, we have two things. We have loaves of banana bread, and we have bags of popcorn, right? So, we have two things. We have the banana bread and bags of popcorn. We will make variable for each one of them. So, do I know how many banana bread or how many loaves and how many bags of popcorn?
أيوة.
How much?
bag of loaves is 75.
No, that's not correct. Read the question.
والمجموع كامل.
Yes,
التوتال.
that's correct. So each one alone we don't know how much, right?
أيوة فبيكون x
Yep.
plus y
Okay,
equals 75.
that's correct. So what does x represent?
X represents
Number of.
loaves of banana bread.
That's right. So number of loaves. Okay. Now what does y represent?
Wait. Y represents the cost.
No, شمسة ركزي. اقرأ السؤال مرة ثانية. A total of 75. You said or you told me that x plus y equals 75. So x
Okay.
represent number of loaves of banana bread and y represent number of what?
The money raised for the football team.
لا غلط شمسة غلط. شمسة طلع علي الله يرضى عليك. It makes sense. It's logic. You just said that x plus y equals 75.
أيوة.
Why you said that? Because you are talking about loaves of banana bread and
bag of popcorn.
thank you. X represent loaves of banana bread and y represent of what, number of what?
Bags of popcorn.
Okay, understood?
أيوة.
Why we said that? Because we just said that x plus y equals 75. How much each one of them alone we don't know. But we do know that the total for these two guys will be what?
will be شو اسمه.
ركزي يا شمسة يلا. شمسة انت مش معي صح مش مركزة. Are you busy with anything?
لا قاعد أكتب على الدفتر.
زين شمسة سيب الدفتر وخليكي معي مرة ثانية. Can you tell me what's the equation one more time?
X plus y equals 75.
Thank you. And we said that x represent the number of
loaves of
and y represent
a number of bags of popcorn.
Thank you. Now let's go and read the second line. Those loaves and these things, these goods will be, we have 75 pieces and we are going to give them for a bakery shop. Now they will sell it يعني. And the money from the bakery shop we are going to use. Look, can you read it from here? There?
There were 4 times as many bags of popcorn donated as loaves of banana bread.
Okay, so who is greater, popcorns or loaves?
Loaves.
Are you sure? There was or there were four
لا
times.
البوبكورن were bigger
So
than
we are going to say, can you give me an equation from the second line?
um
Look here, four times as many bags of popcorns as loaves of
x
banana.
x
Okay,
plus 4y
no, x equal 4y. Because as means what?
equals.
That's not good. That's correct, makes sense. Understood?
أيوة.
As means what?
equal.
Thank you. So y is equal. شوفي y is equal.
زين استاذ نحن ليش ما حطينا ال انه هو قال popcorn bags of popcorn equals loaf of banana bread انه هو قال popcorn قبل اللوف.
الحين شوفي شو كتب. There were four times as many as bags of popcorn. So we are going to say, what's the bags of popcorn? We said it's y, صح? So we will
أيوة.
say 4y. Here, I'm going to write
ليش
this.
ما حطينا 4y equals x.
It's the same. If I said Shamsa equal 5 or 5 equal Shamsa, at the end of the day it's the same. X
Okay.
equal 5 is not different from 5 equal x. Both of them the same. Good? Understood, Shamsa?
أيوة.
If we flip the two sides, it's fine. There is no difference. It's gonna be the same. Okay? Now, how to solve the system of equation, Shamsa? Do you know? Do you have any clue how to start solving the system? We have two equations, right?
أيوة.
Can you tell me where is the two equations or what's the two equations?
x plus y equals 75 or x equals 4y.
Okay, how to solve them? Do you know?
لا.
طب اخذناها احنا لسه تونا ماخذينها شمسة. حكيت لك لما يكون ال 4y
صح.
x.
اوكي.
What
شو
you do?
اسمه
Tell me what you do. You will do.
هذا
Just give me any guess. It's fine.
right. We add the x with the x.
Actually, we cannot do that because if you want to do that, we said that the x and y should be at the same side, like we did here, like we did in the previous question we started with. شوفي ال question اللي بدأنا فيه شمسة. Here, if you remember this question. When x and y were not on the same side, we moved the x to the other side, so it will be at the same side with y. These two guys should be at the same side if we want to solve by elimination.
فالحين أودي ال 4y to the other side.
Or x to the other side. This is one of the methods to solve it. And there is another method I have not taught you. You took it alone with the teacher, which is the substitution. What does the substitution means? Substitution. Substitution means replace. So exactly what you are doing, you are replacing. You're replacing what? Look, Shamsa. Substitutions means what?
Replace.
So he told you that each x is going to be replaced with what?
Each x is gonna be replaced with the loaves of banana bread.
لا, look here شمسة. Keep looking on the screen. Each x will be replaced with x equal what?
X equals 4y.
Okay, so each x is going to be replaced with يلا شمسة, x will be replaced with what? X equal to what?
X equals 4y.
Good. So each x is going to be replaced with
4y.
Go. Okay, let's go to the first equation and do what we agreed on. So the first equation, it says x plus y equals 75, صح?
أيوة.
Now, we know that each x is going to be replaced with what?
Each x is gonna be replaced with 4y.
That's correct. So I will remove this x and I will. Do you remember how to check the solution? When we solving the equation, we found a value of x and we go to one of the equations and replace x. صح؟
أيوة.
هي نفس السالفة. بس لما تعمل replace الاx, there is no number. You are going to replace it with this variable. So x will be replaced with 4y and I will continue writing plus what?
Y equals 75.
That's right. So now it's very easy. 4y
الحين بيكون
plus y.
5y.
Good. Equal 75. Now divide 5. Divide 5. This will cancel out. So y equal what? Yeah, give it a try, Shamsa.
Great.
5 times what equals 75? Is it 5 times 10?
لا.
It's more or less?
More.
Okay, يلا. Start increasing. 5 times 11. How much?
55.
يلا كمل بعد.
5 times 12, 60.
Good.
5 times 13, 65. 5 times 14, 70.
Okay.
5 times 15, 75.
Okay. Understood, Shamsa? So this is why. I'm going to repeat it one more time. First of all, we read the question and we said there is a total of 75. So x plus y. The most important thing in the question, يا شمسة, إنك know each variable represent what? X represent loaves, y represent what?
X.
بتكون انت مش مركز معي، خليكي معي، سيبك من الدفتر او اي شيء انت بتشتغلي فيه، خليه وخليكي معي على الشاشه. مره ثانيه شمسه، لما اقرا السؤال اهم شيء اني اكون فاهم الفاريبلز. يعني انا كتبت اكس واي، بس الاكس شو هي؟ الاكس بهذا السؤال شو هي؟
Number of loaves.
اوكي، والواي؟
A number of popcorn bags.
الحين الحكى لي السؤال x بلس y 75، هيني كتبتها x لانه كتب لي توتال، فعشان هيك كتبت x بلس y. بعدين حكى لي there were 4 times popcorn، فكتبت 4y as loaves equal x. بعديها خلص السؤال. الحين I will look.
أستاذ أنا للحين مو بفاهمة ليش بدال x حطينا 4y.
الحين أنت فاهمة ليش كتبنا x equal 4y؟
أيوة، لأنه هو عشان هذا.
إنزين، الحين في إشي اسمه بالرياضيات اسمه replacing. So this x or this x, are they different?
No.
They are the same. So now x is equal, x is the same as 4y. So if you say x or you say 4y, at the end of the day they are the same. So I'm going to remove this guy and I will replace it with the other value, which is 4y. Good? Understood شمسة ولا لسه؟
أيوة فهمت.
زين؟ زي ما مثلا كان يطلع عندنا الحين شوفي انت طلعت الواي صح؟ كم الواي؟
15.
انزين الحين عشان تطلع الاكس بتروح على الايكويشن الاولى والثانيه صح؟
أيوة.
انزين الايكويشن الاولى كانت x بلس y equal 75. يلا الحين بعمل ريبليس. شو y equal what؟
uh, y equals 15.
صحيح نفس
فبنحكي
السالفه.
x plus 15 equals
بالضبط
75. يعني 15 بنوديه صوب الثاني بيكون minus 15، فالأكس بيكون بروحه، فx equals
60. هذا نفس الشيء اللي عملناه هني، انت عملتي ريبليس للواي بالصوب الثاني اللي هو 15، وهنا عملنا ريبليس للاكس بالصوب الثاني. So it is the same technique. Understood شمسة؟ فهمتي كيف حليناها؟
أيوة.
So we have y 15 what?
15 bags of popcorn.
And we have how much?
And
We have 15 bags of popcorns, and we have what also?
15
60
60 loaves
loaves
of
of banana. خليني بس اتاكد من الحل. نشوف هني. اوكي احنا عكسنا ال 15 loaves of banana and 60 bags of popcorn. احنا عكسنا او خربطنا بشغله. ايش هي؟ لازم هنيك شو كتبنا؟ خليني بس اشوف انا الفاريبلز اللي هو كتبهم نفس الفاريبلز اللي كتبتهم. هني هو معتبر اقرأي x represent what؟
x represents the number of loaves of
يعني نفس اللي احنا عملناه، الاكس اللوفز والواي الباجز اوف بوب كورنز. بس شو الغلط اللي كان عندنا او شو الشغله المستيك اللي عملنا فيها؟ هني لازم شو حكينا؟ لازم حكينا انه y equal 4x. لو نقرا السؤال عدل شو كاتب لي؟ There were 4 times as many bags of popcorns donated as loaves of banana bread. If we read the sentence and understand it, who is more, loaves of banana or loaves of banana bread or popcorn? Who is more, البوبكورن
popcorn.
ولا البنانا؟
Banana.
البنانا هو الأكثر. لا البوبكورن. صبر شوي، شو كاتب لك؟ There were 4 times as many bags of popcorn, so popcorn is the greater thing. Okay? So we have y equal 4x. شوف شو الكاتب بالكتاب هني. ايوه هذا هو. 4 times as many bags of popcorn as loaves of bread. So y is going to be equal to what? 4x. فهمتي؟ يعني نفس الحل اللي حليناه احنا ونفس الجواب، بس اخر شيء اتعدل. يعني الشيء اللي غلطنا فيه لازم كنا كتبنا y equal 4x instead of 4y equal x. فاهمي شو التعديل اللي راح يصير عندي شمسة؟
أيوة.
ما راح يختلف اي شيء بالحل. احكي لك شوفي، هاي الملاحظة اسحب عليها مش كثير، يعني بتعمل فرق كبير بالسؤال. زين بالنهاية الحل نفسه نشوف. بس اللي لازم تفهميه انه شوفي بالجواب النهائي مين طلع معه 15 لوف اوف بنانا؟ طلع مع 15 بنانا و60 بوب كورن، وهذا منطقي. ليش؟ لانه حكالي مين الاكثر 4 times بوب كورن as بنانا. يعني البنانا اللي موجود عندك تضربه بأربعة. مفهوم يا شمسة؟
أيوة.
البنانا اللي موجود عندي اكس، هذا الاكس اللي موجود عندي اروح اضربه بأربعة عشان احصل البوب كورن. المنطق بيقول ان البوب كورن يكون اكثر، وهذا هو الجواب النهائي. شوف الجواب النهائي، البوب كورن كم كان؟
البوب كورن 60
والبنانا كان 15. فصدق البنانا لما اضربه في 4 يستوي البوب كورن. اوكي طيب
أيوة.
خلينا نشوف. تقدر تحلي هذا السؤال بروحك، ما راح اساعدك فيه. اباكي تعملي انت الايكويشن. اعملي الايكويشنز شو هم؟ خليني اعمل بوز